So for us to install Google Authenticator app on our phone, so go ahead and open up your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, go ahead and click on search right here. Then come to the search app and game and type in Google Authenticator. Hit on search. In a few seconds, it's taking you right here. Go ahead and click on Google Authenticator. Now you are here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on install. After a successful installation, go ahead and hit on open. Here you go. Next thing you want to do is to click on get started. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on continue with your Google account. Then here you go. You have successfully activated your Google Authenticator. It's that simple. The next thing we want to do now is to see it's that simple. For more tutorial on how best to use your Google Authenticator, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.